Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's recipe, I'll be teaching you how to use water leaf to cook achi soup. This soup is one of the most delicious soup you can have. Most people don't like to use water leaf to prepare their achi soup, which is fine and it's optional. I choose to use water leaf to prepare mine because I love it and I grew up to see my mom using water leaf to prepare it. So let me introduce to you all the ingredients we'll be using to make this food. I'll be using goat meat to prepare this. You can use any protein of your choice. I choose to use goat meat. I'll also be using cow skin, also known as kpomo. This one is optional, not everybody likes it. I'll be using dry Kpanla fish. You can use any dry fish of your choice. I'll also be using our stockfish, also known as kpomo. I'll be using the shellless periwinkle. You can use the one with shell. I just choose to use this one. Then I have my washed fresh pepper. I also have my already cut water leaf, which I'll be showing you when to use it in this video. You can also choose to cut yours very tiny. I also have your Uziza leaf. In my dialect we call it mfangadusa. And here I have my achi powder. I'll be showing you how to dissolve this powder in this video. I have my palm oil here. I have my salt, I have my seasoning cubes, I have crayfish. I love to be very generous with my crayfish. Into my pot, I'll be seasoning my proteins with pepper, seasoning cubes, salt and some water. I'll cover it and I'll allow it to steam for some time. Here is how to dissolve your achi powder. All you need to do is to put some palm oil into your achi powder and you start to stir it. The reason for this is to make it very smooth and not lumpy. You stir it till it's well combined. Once my protein is properly cooked and soft, I'll add my palm oil into it. I'll add some crayfish. Like I said earlier, I like to be very generous with my crayfish. Then I also went ahead with my seasoning cubes, salt, and the reason why I didn't add pepper into this again is because the food, like the stock, is already very peppery. I'm going to add some water into this. I'll stir and cover for it to steam for a few minutes. Once that is ready, I'll be adding my water leaf. I'll stir and mix everything properly, cover it and let it steam. Here I'll be adding my achi paste and I'll stir it. So while I was stirring the soup, I noticed that it was getting thicker, so I knew I needed to add some more water. I also added some extra seasonings to this soup because of the extra water I added. Now it's time to add my Kpanla fish and my shellless periwinkles. I'll stir this properly and let it I'm going to stir this properly and I'll let it cook for just 2 minutes. Like I said earlier, this is one of the most delicious soup you can have. Please, if you've watched this video till this point, do well to like, subscribe and share this video to your loved ones. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.